Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well today. I just wanted to share a weekend project where I repotted a Petite Knock-Out Rose. Repotted from like the original container it came in and potted into a beautiful terracotta pot that I found at Home Depot. This was my first time doing it, so I'm probably not doing everything quite right, but I know knockout roses are really easy to grow, or at least that's what they're known for, and the petite ones look so pretty and cute and charming, and I thought that the petite style would be perfect for a pot. All right, so let me go ahead and show you the footage now. I don't know, I like seeing montages like that, so here's this one. So I was able to plant the rose quite quickly, especially because it was getting hot, so I was trying to do it quickly, and it was really an easy process, and for first time doing it, I thought it went pretty well, and I'm really looking forward to hopefully planting more roses. I love roses. I've always had like this dream of planting like a rose garden, but I thought I would start with a little pot first. So anyway, on that note, I'm gonna end this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you did, make sure to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future videos, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!